And that is the Evergo Roma unboxed. This was a late Christmas gift because this arrived a few days late. My dad got this off OfferUp for me for Christmas 2020. As you can see, it is one of the earlier models of the Roma. There's the box. Somehow it didn't come with the light kit, but that's okay. There's the motor, and as you can see, it is very ornate. Here's the top plate of the motor housing. We got some screws, we have a balancing kit, pull chain, down rod, instructions. We have the motor housing, the canopy, we have the blade brackets, and we have the blades. They are reversible cane to just a plain oak. We have the mounting bracket, and as you can see, it's a J-hook fan. We have some more screws here. I believe these were sold at Montgomery Ward, I'm not entirely sure, but I do know a lot of Evergos were sold there. This has never ran before, so hopefully it works. I don't know what year it's from either. This could be from 85. My guess would probably be 84, 85, something like that. I'll probably make a testing video of this, probably tomorrow. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.